Hey, good morning. Welcome to SWG's Woodworking channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make the dovetail joint and the slider top for this box. So if you want to see how I do that with the table saw and the router table with a dovetail bit, stick around, stay tuned, and thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. See you later. Okay, we're over at table saw, and we're gonna rabbit out. We're gonna rabbit out the rabbit. So I got my blade set to 1/2 inch deep. Got my fence lined up with my first mark. And yeah, and the goal today is to have no kickbacks. Double check our measurement. We need to take off just slightly more on that side, and that side you don't want to take off any more. So double check it again. That's perfect. Now we'll just rabbit it out. No kickback. Come all the way out, back in. Give it a bump over. All the way out, back in. Oh, too much. Kind of a slow process, but I guess if I had a dado stack, it would be quick, but then I'd have to deal with all that. This Purple Heart's pretty hard too, so these small bites are better on the blades and the tools and all that. All right. Okay. That's the rabbit. And the next step is to do the dovetail. So take you over to the router table and do that. Oh, it goes this direction. Man. Well, it's okay. That actually worked. Well, that actually worked good. I guess I just gotta understand my tools better. And I'm just cleaning up the rabbit from the table saw with the dovetail so everything's the same height. I can feel it. It's a feel thing. You can feel when it's cutting. Yeah, that turned out really good. All right, over to the bench. Show you the next step. Yeah, that turned out really good. Yeah, I got a little booger, but I understand what I'm doing now. So, we'll set you up here. So that turned out, I got one little booger there, but so this is the top, this is the bottom. The next step is to draw. So what you do, let me turn around so you can see, is you make sure this is square and then even. Even this way, flat, and then there might be a better way to do it, but this is just how I know how to do it. So, okay, you take your pencil and you scribe. And then it will be removing this part and this part. And so what we'll do, we'll go over to the table saw and we'll rabbit cut it out, and then we'll head over to the router table and do the rabbits. Okay, well, there is box number 2 with the dovetail and the slider. Yeah, it works out pretty good after I figured it out. I don't know if I'm gonna do this one like in half and do 2 smaller boxes, or do a long